The perimeter of a circle is known as its circumference, and it is 2 pi r, where pi is 22/7. The area is pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Though a circle looks somehow unconventional, so to speak, it does have length. That length is described in terms of a line that passes through the center of the circle. This is the line. It stands for the diameter of the circle, from this edge to this edge. So then a line passing from this edge to this edge, if it is called the diameter, then the half of that is the radius, that is the distance from the edge to the center of the circle is known as the radius. If so, then we can say that diameter, which is d/2, is the same thing as the radius. So d/2 equals to r, or d is equals to 2r. These are the basic things you are supposed to know about the dimensions of a circle. Calculate the circumference and area of a circle of radius 7 cm. To calculate the area or circumference of a circle, all you need is the radius. Pi is a constant. So starting with the circumference, the formula is the formula for circumference of a circle is 2 times pi times r, 2 pi r. The parameters are therefore pi and r, where pi is equals to 22/7, or we can write it as 3.142, and r is 7 cm. If we are to represent r on a circle, just like I showed in the previous diagram, then it should be like this. This is r, and it's supposed to be 7 cm. It is the line from the edge to the center of the circle. Okay, substitute and solve. The circumference will now be equal to 2 multiplied by 22/7 times 7. 7 can cancel 7. 2 times 22 equals to 44. The area of a circle is given by the formula A, where A stands for area, is equals to pi multiplied by r square. That's the formula for calculating the area of a circle, where pi is still 22/7 and r is 7 centimeter. Okay, substitute and solve. A is equals to pi multiplied by r square, so that is 22/7 for pi times 7 times 7. R square means r multiplied by r 2 times. So one of the 7 cancel one of the 7s. You'll be left with 22 times 7. (154 centimeter square) is the final answer. The unit for area is centimeter square. That's it on cycles.